Welcome to 41 Holdsworth Ave, a property which will give you great space, plenty of garaging, 3 bedrooms and a prime location. Come on in, check it out.
My thoughts make me tired, just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace that I could find, instead of always being on the grind. I need a new purpose, I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching, you're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy, is there some place for safety I can go?
So here you have it. Great space, great location. Give me a call to arrange your private viewing. My name is S. Jetli from Property Brokers, Palmerston's fastest Indian.